Okay guys, so the last video you guys saw the Galant put down 440 horsepower and pretty much 400 wheel torque. It's pretty easy to make those kinds of numbers on a stock block 4G63. I'm only revving to 7,000 right now. I just got off the phone with my friend and they typically rev to 7,500. But I am currently out of fuel. So let's go over this car. Stock block 4G63. Stock head. I have blown the head gasket, so it has a Velcro O'Reilly's head gasket, and it's doing just fine. No AC, no power steering. It has a tucked radiator, which is in my previous videos, the eBay radiator, custom turbo manifold, 3-inch downpipe with 3-inch exhaust all the way back with about, it's got like 2 or 3 resonators on it. It's got quite a few. A 58 precision turbo. I'll come back to that. Like I said, custom turbo kit, Tial blow-off valve, Tial wastegate, and 1000cc injectors on E85. Let's see, 4-bolt rear end. Right now it has a centered welded diff with a twin disc competition clutch. That is pretty much the build. So the one concern I am having right now is I believe I'm right at the tip top of the max on this turbo. It's a journal turbo, 58 precision turbo, and I'm pretty sure it's max at this point. It's like right there on its limit. It's journal, has no shaft play, it's surviving. Archie, the one that just dynoed the car, he's amazed that this turbo is still alive. The car was tuned on about 25-26 PSI from my friend Jerry, the one that put the car together, but I do turn up the boost to 29 pounds. So if you guys look at that graph, the dyno graph, it is lean on the top end, about 12.6 AFRs. That's because I am out of fuel. I have a 450 walbro fuel pump that's rewired. The ID 1000cc injectors. So the fuel system's max, not from the fuel pump, but from the injectors. I don't have a fuel pressure regulator, or else I can turn it up and probably help out my top end a little bit, but we can't do that. I don't have it. It's all stock fuel rail, stock regulator, but so that's how simple it is to make 400 horsepower on your stock 4G63 motor. I don't know much about the stock turbos. I know they make a lot of torque. It's probably very similar to this turbo, but you guys can fill me in on the information down below in the comments. Or let me know what you guys made on your stock blocks. And if you have a built block, trust me, you should be well in the 500-600 horsepower if you're on a built block. So I'm doing this on a stock motor. Tomorrow is street car takeover. Currently, I am debating if I'm going to put on my 2150cc injectors and turn up the boost some. If anything, talking to my friend, we may rev it to 7,500 with the bigger injectors, and I don't know, thinking about it, maybe keep it, I was going to turn it up to 32 PSI, but maybe we will keep it at 29 and just rev it out. I don't know. I got some thinking to do today, and I got some other videos to make. But remember, streetcar takeovers tomorrow, February 16th. And today's February 15th. But that's it, guys. Super basic. Very basic. I mean, you don't need this crazy turbo kit. You don't need a crazy turbo manifold. You just need the turbo. And some E85 and some bigger injectors. And I guarantee you'll have mid 400 horsepower. So, 1000 cc's on this motor are maxed out for me at 440 horsepower with 400 torque. So that's that, guys. Like, subscribe, If you guys haven't seen my previous videos, I currently have my personal best down into the high 11s, which are in previous videos. Go back and watch. But lots of videos on this car. So like, subscribe, share the video. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for watching. Street car takeover. Time to debate if I'm going to go bigger injectors. Thanks, guys.